Okay, today this is going to be the Unit 8 algebraic representations of two variable relationships. Tammy is putting uncooked rice into a box. The table shows the relationship between H, the height of the rice level in the box, and V, the volume of the rice in the box as Tammy pours it. Which formula best represents the relationship between V and H? Number 2, for every 2 hours there are 7,200 seconds. Which equation best represents the number of seconds, S, in a given number of H hours? Number 3, which situation best represents an additive relationship? Alyssa's school has 7 6th-grade classes. Each class has the same number of students. Alyssa runs 6 laps around the track. Each lap is 1/4 of a mile. Alyssa saw 7 bookshelves in the library. Each bookshelf has the same number of books. Alyssa's class started with 17 students. Each month a new student joins the class. Number 4. Which graph best represents the points 3.75, negative 4.25, 3.75, 1, negative 2 1/2, 1, and negative 2 1/4, negative 4 1/4 as the vertices of a rectangle? Number 5. The graph below shows the number of words per minute that Paula types. Which of the following statement is true about the relationship represented in the graph? A, the number of minutes is the dependent quantity because it depends on the number of words. B, the number of words is the dependent quantity because it depends on the number of minutes. C, the number of minutes is the independent quantity because it is represented on the y-axis. D, the number of words is the independent quantity because it is represented on the y-axis. Number 6, in which quadrant would the point 3.6, negative 4 be located? Quadrant 4, quadrant 3, quadrant 2, quadrant 1. The graph below shows the relationship between side lengths of a regular hexagon and its perimeter. Which table best represents the relationship between the side length of a regular hexagon X and its perimeter Y? Number 8. Arthur is recording data about a plant's growth in the table below. Based on the information in the table, which equation best represents the relationship between the number of weeks X and the height of the plant in the centimeters Y? Number 9. The table below shows the number of laps Dana ran on a school track at the time it took in minutes for her to complete the laps. What is the independent quantity in this situation? The number of laps, the number of minutes, the distance around 1 lap on the track, the time it takes to run 1 lap. Graph 1 and 2 shown below represents relationships that have different rules. Based on the information in graph 1 and 2, which statement is true? Graph 2 represents a multiplicative relationship because its value is multiplied by 10 and it includes the ordered pair 0, 0. Graph 1 represents a multiplicative relationship because its value is multiplied by 3 and it includes the ordered pair 0, 0. Graph 2 represents an additive relationship because the value of 10 is added and it includes the ordered pair 0, 0. Graph 1 represents an additive relationship because the value of 3 is added and it does not include the ordered pair 0, 0. Number 11. Large Texas oranges weigh 1/2 of a pound each. Which graph best represents the relationship between the number of oranges N and the weight in pounds P? Mariah was plotting the points below and noticed that the following points satisfy a given set of conditions when plotted on a coordinate plane. Which of the following best describes the conditions all the points would satisfy? F. All the points are located in quadrant 1. G. All the points have y greater than or equal to 1. All the points have x greater than -2. All the points would reflect across the y-axis to a different quadrant. A firefighter uses equipment that weighs 60 pounds. The firefighter weighs X pounds. Which equation can be used to find T, the total weight of both the firefighter and his equipment in pounds? The coordinate grid shows the points J, K, L, and M. Which point best represents the ordered pair -2 1/2, 3?